well, everybody. And then here's a line right here that's getting close to the metro area. That could have some wind with it. There's definitely some wind in northeast Arkansas. In fact, a severe thunderstorm warning. Let's go up there if we could for a moment anyway. Until 3:15 this afternoon. Wind gusts up to 60, perhaps 70 miles an hour. Hills Paragould down to Jonesboro, Marktree, and Truman. And these cells are pushing east-northeast. Those are the only warnings right now that we have, at least in our coverage area. But a huge area of a tornado watch. Maybe we'll come back out now to just widen it out a bit. The flashing yellow boxes are severe thunderstorm warnings. If you saw a flashing red box, that's a tornado warning. Don't have that right now, but could pop at any time. And this atmosphere right here, North Mississippi and West Tennessee, really, I'll be honest with you, over the next hour to two, it looks like that is the highest threat of any strong tornadoes, and it would be over the next couple of 3 hours. And there are additional warnings just south of the area. So as you can see, it is getting close, and we've got a round-robin coverage here of what is going on. Danielle, you've been up for a little while, haven't you? I've been watching this for a little while. Tell us what you're seeing right now and what you're looking at specifically.
Okay, so we have been monitoring this. Trevor's going to talk about this in a second, but we've been seeing lots of tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings as well with this line. It started early this morning while I was on air. There were several severe thunderstorm warnings moving through northwest Arkansas. Earlier, I'm going to zoom in to the map here in Springdale, Arkansas. There was actually a tornado reported, and this is all coming from this line. And we watched this kind of information to see what we can expect in our area. So far, we've only had the 3 severe thunderstorm warnings, but definitely something to pay close attention to. And the storm is moving relatively fast, but just creeping along. It's almost like a hurry up and wait game as we wait for this to continue to push across the Mid-South. We haven't seen any hail reports or anything like that, but we have been monitoring this literally all day long. We are definitely keeping our eye on some activity in Clay and Greene County, as well as Craighead and Poinsett, Arkansas. Trevor has also been keeping an eye on what's been happening to the south of us, especially in Louisiana, and I think he has some information on that.
Yeah, Danielle, just a quick update for what's going on down to our south. If we zoom out from us, I want to give you a better idea of what's going on to the south. This is what's coming in our direction. Definitely the southern half of this line, a little bit stronger. So that's something to watch for our friends in northern Mississippi. Everybody's going to see storms. Some people will see storms that are a little bit stronger. You see several warnings now down to the south of our area, but those are all continuing to move off to the north over the next little bit. Again, the only warning we have right now in the Memphis area is that severe thunderstorm warning for damaging wind for Poinsett and Cross counties. But this entire line, as it comes through, has the potential to produce not only damaging wind gusts of 70 miles an hour, but also some quick tornadoes. John, that ETA at Memphis looking like just after 3:30.
Yeah, and that's an important point. Go ahead and call your friends and family who are out and about and tell them that you've got about an hour before this comes through the metro area. Here's Memphis right here. So go ahead and call them now and get into a place and stay there. We don't want you driving into or through this mess. Here are some of the storm tracks on here, and this is all moving now northeast at 80. At least that's what this portion of the storm says anyway. So a rapidly changing and developing situation this afternoon. Tornado watch for everybody. No tornado warnings just yet, but we do believe as we go throughout the afternoon that conditions are just going to, be honest with you, go down and be more prone to a tornado developing. And I can't rule out a strong one or two, especially east of the Mississippi River. We are here not just on the air, but we're online. So check us out. If you don't have the app, ABC 24, easy to download, completely free. Our website, abc24.com. And again, go ahead and call your friends and family if they are driving and let them know to get to a sturdy place over the next hour, because even if there's not a warning, driving in this mess is going to be not fun and potentially dangerous. We're not here to scare you unnecessarily. We're here to protect you, plan, and make sure you stay safe throughout this entire event. We'll keep you updated